during his stint as a first-time congressman, 1st Congressional District Representative Paulo Pulong Z. Duterte continued the Barangay Caravan program that he spearheaded when he was still the Vice Mayor of Davao City, the Pulong-Pulong ni Pulong. Various services were offered to residents of 54 barangays in the 1st District of Davao.
From 2019 up to the present, 30,706 individuals were assisted through the Tupad program of DOLE. Beneficiaries included displaced workers, barbers, salon employees, massage therapists, musicians, blind masseur, hotel and restaurant workers, department store employees, janitorial staff, and guest relation employees. In the same period, the DSWD Crisis Interventions Program covered 29,765 beneficiaries from the sectors of solo parents, tricycle drivers, and indigent Muslim communities to mitigate the impact of the national health emergency brought by COVID-19 pandemic.
Meanwhile, 6,313 individuals comprising Fisher Folks and street vendors, including small sari-sari store owners, benefited from the DSWD Livelihood Program.
ECQ Cluster Games was also made to lighten up ongoing strict quarantine and unleash the Bohemians' talents and creativity while staying at home.
The office also has distributed over 150,000 face shields and masks, including food packs to residents of the 1st District and to 33 barangays noted with high cases of COVID-19 in the city.
For the Emergency Assistance Program, the 1st Congressional District Office has provided cash and food assistance to around 9,000 flood victims, 26 landslide victims, and over 1,901 fire victims.
Pulong also coordinated with the Technical Educational and Skills Development Authority or TESDA to train 3,135 individuals from the three districts of Davao. The beneficiaries received training on computer system servicing, visual graphic design, automotive servicing, plumbing, HEO, contact center services, bread and pastry making, housekeeping, healthcare services, and shielded metal arc welding. After the tested training, Pulong worked with Dole and the Public Employment Services Office or PESO to connect the beneficiaries to possible employers through a virtual job fair.
The office noted 133 individuals hired on the spot since the virtual job fair was launched in November 2021. To personalize the job fair, drop boxes were placed in all the 54 barangays in the 1st district for those who do not have access to the internet.
The office distributed 1,000 wheelchairs to indigent persons with disabilities and with severe medical conditions, and almost 500 wheelchairs to senior citizens. The Office of the Representative Duterte received 12 vehicles that could be used to transport patients from barangays to the hospitals, along with 12 ambulance tricycles equipped with oxygen tanks, which were distributed to barangays with denser population. For infrastructure development, Representative Duterte ventured into the construction and rehabilitation of multipurpose buildings, flood control and drainage works, road widening and maintenance, construction and reconstruction of roads and bridges, and construction of water supply systems and preventive care. Among all the projects in the infrastructure program, the main highlight of the 1st District Congressional Office is the Davao Coastal Road. Representative Paulo Z. Duterte in his first term as a member of the lower house representing the 1st District of Davao City has authored a total of 62 House bills. Of the 62 House bills, 16 were enacted into laws, 21 were already sent and received by the Senate, and 25 are still pending in the different committees in the House of Representatives. Pulong said that his main plan is to promote meaningful development and positive change for the people, especially the Dabaweños, and has vowed to develop laws that will positively impact the people, usher in livelihood, generate jobs, improve infrastructures, provide education opportunities to less fortunate children and the youth, and bring sustainable development.